This is Melody from Home Garden and Passion. Today I'm going to do another review for food. Now this is for masala dosa and this is for onion masala dosa. It's called onion Rava Masala Dosa. So this comes 4 of them and this is usually like $2.99, $2.49, $3 depending on where you're buying it. So and they are like this, so you have to put it in a pan, but you don't need any oil or anything. You just heat it up like this, and I keep it in very low flame each side like 2-3 minutes, and you can put a cover for 1 minute or so and then take it out, and then it gets heated up well, and then you can eat it. It comes with a chutney, but you can do without it too. Let me show you how the chutney. So it comes in this package, coconut chutney, and what you need to do is you open the package and then you put it in a little bowl. Chutney is very tiny little, so each package might have 1 tablespoon of chutney, so you will get 2 tablespoons on a little bowl, and then you can heat it up in the microwave for a second or so, a minute or 30 seconds, and then you can eat this. And they have inside stuffing, potatoes and things like lentils, potatoes and cilantro, but they're really tasty, and this is like really easy to make. And this is like, you can, these are frozen, actually you have to keep it frozen. So if you are going somewhere and you know you're not going to have access to the hotel restaurants or food, so you can carry something like that in your cooler, and over there you can heat it up in the microwave too, and that's just very easy. And there are 4 pieces like this, and that's kind of filling, quite filling, and it's tasty too, and it's not too hot or spicy, it's just mild. So it's really amazing food, and price is very low. So this is my another honest review, and I've been using it for years, so it's not like I'm reviewing after 1 package of use. So this is really good to eat once in a while. I wouldn't say every day, once in a while. If you are going somewhere and you know you need food and you don't have access to food, and eating in a restaurant might be very expensive, so you can resort to something like this. So this is the review for the Rava dosa, and they have a lot of like masala, plain, onion. So this was a small review. I hope you like it. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more. This is a review for onion masala dosa. This is onion Rava Masala Dosa, and this is the chutney for it, and chutney is sufficient for the dosa, and this dosa tastes so awesome. And there are 4 dosas in this package, and so this is the price, and this is a honest unpaid review, and I have used this product for quite some time and I find it really good. And I already showed you how to heat it up. Heating up is very easy process. So if you are going somewhere and you know you're not gonna have access to food, this is something you can carry it in your cooler, and 1 package is enough for a small meal. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more. So this is honest unpaid review.